Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to remove passkey on TikTok. If you are trying to remove your passkey on TikTok and you don't know how to do it, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to do that. If it is your first time visiting the channel, please do to subscribe. Let's dive right into the first video. The first step you need to take is to go to your TikTok, and on your TikTok, you need to click on the profile icon here on the bottom of your screen. So on your YouTube profile and TikTok profile here, the next step you need to take is to click on the three line at the top right of your screen. So the three line at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you are going to be clicking on settings. Then you are going to be scrolling down gently till you get to account. On your account here, you are going to be seeing passkey. So here, I don't have any passkey on my TikTok account. I can go ahead and create a passkey, and in here, if you have a passkey, you go ahead and set the option passkey. How you can actually delete passkey on TikTok. If you found this helpful, because I'm going to the very end of this video, please try to subscribe to the channel. Don't tell me the comment section if you are still finding anything difficult on TikTok, or you're finding any problem on TikTok. I want you to say to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.